I just took down my braids. I washed my hair a couple of days ago, and I braided them up, and I just took them down. Today I have my retightening, so my loctician will retighten my hair in the braid out. I'm gonna give a little close up if I can. Y'all see all that new growth up there? From back here you probably can't see, so you're like, retight, what? I love that the braid out allows you to, you know, rock your locks all the way close to a retight, and people can't even tell. You can't even tell yourself unless you look close up. But yeah, it's gonna look real fly tonight when I come for my retightening, because I'm gonna have my grid, you can see then. Right now it's somewhat there. What I'm about to do real quick is run my fingers through my parts so that, and make sure all my braids, like this is unbraided, but I still need to take the individual locks apart. So I'm gonna do that so that when you separate my hair for the retightening, that it will ease some of that tension I sometimes feel. Some of y'all suggested, you all give me some great suggestions on my videos. I'll give more of an update tonight about if there's any pain, or I'm sure there's gonna be tenderness, but in regards to how I feel. We're still gonna do the one less pull through, and some of you suggested that to alleviate some of the issues with you know, possible headache or pain, which last time I didn't get a headache. It was tender in some spots. Some of y'all suggested to take a pain pill before I go, and I'm thinking about it, but I'm not sure if I will. I probably should, because I really haven't done much with my hair in terms of styling, so I haven't done much manipulation. This braid out is the extent of anything I've done probably since my last retightening. I've been really lazy with my hair, you all, really lazy. And it's probably because of work, but I'm now have some vacation time, and I'll be able to free up a little time. At least that's the idea. I love the effect of how it looks all crinkled and hanging, but with it being hot like it is outside, I will rarely wear it down like this if I know I'm going to be outside for any period of time. But it's real pretty indoors, just not when I get outside. But yeah, I will come back after my retightening, hopefully tonight. If not, the footage will pick up tomorrow. Hopefully your day has been awesome and continues to be awesome. After my retightening, I will give a little bit of an update about where I've been, what I've been doing. I think it'll be somewhere weaved in there. Always remember, when you don't see me, it's usually work. I blame it on work all the time. But anywho, I'll see you soon. Hey Triple Crew, so this is the next day. Yesterday I went to get my hair retightened. I went with the braid out, and as you can see, my part is more crisp, and my hair is kind of laid down closer to my scalp compared to yesterday. I'm going to do a comparison picture here. So as you can see, it was puffier. Still had the crease, but it was like puffier and bigger because I was, what, 7 weeks post retight. So now it's freshly retighted and all laid down. And yeah, I love the look I get when I have a fresh retight and it's already crinkled from the braid out. I'm just like, I actually wore it down today. Yes, I wore it down today outside of the house. I was in meetings today, training meetings. So I was just sitting and soaking up information, but I wore it down. It was pretty cool in there. The AC was going, so I didn't really get hot. But if there was something I was doing that was like, hey, me outside here and there, then I would have definitely put it up. But I enjoyed rocking it down today, and loving the look right now. Hopefully you all can see it all in the frame. I tried to step back some. What else? Alright, so it's been about a month plus since my last video. And where have I been? Alright, work. I blame it on work, number one. Number two, I have been lazy with my hair. So I think the last time I did a video, let me see, last time I did a hair video, I had just got my hair retightened. So it's been about 7 weeks since I did a hair video. So yeah, I had just gotten my hair retightened. So I did kind of like an update to show you how my hair looked. But I literally, since then, have done nothing to my hair. Yeah, nothing. I, for the longest, would just put my hair back like this. So that's how I wore my hair every day, like that. Or I'd put it up a little bit. But that was it. I would do that every day. I was really lazy. And this is not much effort. I just braided it. But it's better than what it was looking like before because I didn't braid it. I was just straight in a ponytail. And this is some of the laziness that comes with having longer hair. Because I have to actually think of, okay, how do I want to style it? And then how I'm going to keep it up. A third reason, I have been toying with an idea. I'm not sure if I want to share it yet or not. No, I'm not going to share it right now. I will share it soon. And I apologize for bringing it up but not saying it because I don't like when people do that to me. But yeah, I'll share soon about that. I'm still kind of undecided. But that's my third reason. Something I'm toying with. Why I have been lazy with my hair as well as why it's been so long since my update. The fourth thing is inspiration. Like sometimes I get inspiration for ideas or there's styles I want to do, but then I'm like, how long is it going to take me kind of thing. So I guess inspiration / motivation. Inspiration for an easy style or inspiration and motivation to carry it out. I thought about doing the braided spirals again, but that was some steps, you all. And it definitely took a while to take it out. I knew I was going to get my retightened, so I was like, I'm not going to rock it for a day or two and then turn around and take it out. Like, if I do that, it's going to have to be at the beginning of my retightening. I'm going to rock it the entire 7 weeks. But reason number 5, I just have not been sitting down on my computer and doing anything. I can edit sometime on my phone, but I used to like to sit at my computer, edit, and get ideas together. I have done some videos, though, but it's not hair videos. And I'm going to be releasing those in the future. You'll find out what that's about too. I'm excited about it. It's like carrying you on along with me on another journey. And yeah, I'm going to continue filming those for the next few months, and I'm going to release them 6 months behind schedule. Does that make sense? Yeah. So let me know in the comments below, how's your day being whenever you're watching the video. I'm filming on a Thursday. Who knows when I'm going to edit and actually upload it. Hopefully I can upload it by the beginning of June. But yeah, let me know how your day, your week has been. What do you have planned for the summer months? Are you planning any travel? I do have one little work travel, and I may be able to do some fun like in the evening, so I may film or vlog that. We shall see. Travel day. So we have arrived. I'm sitting in a hotel room. Not sure if y'all can see that view. I'm on the 21st floor. So this is the view. That building over there looks interesting. all I have planned. Relaxing during the summer months. Have a couple of trainings. And yeah, just let me know what your life is like right now. Your highlight reel. Share with me. If you've connected with me on Instagram recently, thank you. I'm going to, I haven't actually been on social media with the exception of YouTube much. Oh, this reason number 6 why I haven't like vlogged per se or uploaded a video. So I recently, like as of a week ago, posted on Instagram, and I hadn't posted on Instagram in 4 months. Can you believe it? I can't either. I haven't been back on Snapchat. I've been posting on Twitter and Facebook. I posted on there. So yeah, I'm not really back to social media per se. But I did need a break, and if you have not thought about it, consider when you need to take a break from social media, because it allows you to clear your mind and to focus on the things that you need to focus on. Sometimes I realize that social media, YouTube, I'm excluded from that per se, because I look at YouTube, I stream, it's like it's my TV, so it's not like, it's not the same to me as social media. I see YouTube as TV, especially when I'm not uploading anything. I'm viewing vlogs, I'm viewing series that are just YouTube based and stuff like that, and just informational videos. But consider taking a step back and see how you feel, how clear your mind is, and just your emotions when you are not on social media. I really believe it was specific for me, and maybe for other people too. There's definitely a difference in my thoughts and how I feel when I'm not on social media consistently, if that makes sense. Like for instance, let's say if you start feeling some kind of way, you're like, why am I feeling this way? It's probably because you've been scrolling and just soaking in stuff and kind of making you want for things that you didn't want for before, or put these ideas in your head about you know, certain things. And sometimes it can be a motivator in a good way, but then sometimes it can be something kind of hovers over your head like a cloud for a storm, if that makes any sense. I didn't mean to make this into a self-help video in that sense, but think about it. If you're on social media quite a bit, give yourself like a day, a week to just step away and see the difference it makes. 4 months away, you know, you get to a point where you don't even think about it. And before I stepped away, like I literally thought about logging into my social media and scrolling and checking out people's page multiple times a day. But if you have that thought freed up in your mind, you're not worried about what's happening on social media, it definitely makes a difference. It's kind of funny I'm saying it because I like social media. I post on social media quite a bit, and I like having a following and interacting with people. But I always feel that you need to be in control of your interactions in terms of, not in terms of your interactions, but in terms of your usage of social media. And if it's controlling you, then you need to take a step back. And I felt like it was controlling me, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm not even sure I'm going to include that spiel in the video. But if you're still here to this video, I really appreciate you. We've hit 7,800 Triple L crew. Whoop, whoop. If you're at home watching the video in the car, where you are, just do it with me. Whoop, whoop. 7,800, so we're 200 away from 8,000 Triple L crew. Whoop, whoop. Do it again. Whoop, whoop. I'm serious. Pause for a moment and go, whoop, whoop. I appreciate each and every one of you who takes the time to view my videos from beginning, middle to end, like all the way to the end, so you're seeing this. Those who have subscribed, so you get those emails to let you know when I upload. Those who have hit the notifications, so you're like here, ready to comment as soon as you find out that I've posted a video. Those who take the time to comment below and say, hey, let me know how you're doing, as well as commenting on the video, or just asking me any kind of questions as it relates to the video, anything you want to know. I appreciate that. Thank you. Continue to be fly, continue to be fabulous, and I will see your beautiful faces in the next video. Peace.